Here are 8 websites that will help you get more done for your business at a cheaper price. Good entry-level tools for beginners and pros alike. Hit like so this one stays with you. Numbers 1, 2, 3, and 5 cost nothing at all. Not a free trial, not a free tier. They are open source, so there is no subscription, and nobody can put the price up on you later. Number 8, Screencap. Imagine showing somebody how you work once, and from then on, they can copy it exactly and repeat it flawlessly forever. That is Screencap. You press record and then just do the job. Screencap watches the session, and an on-device model splits it into separate labeled tasks. It indexes every spoken word and everything that appeared on the screen. So 3 months later, you can search for the payroll run and land on the exact minute you did it. It is source available and local first. The recording stays on your machine until you choose to share one. Free for personal use. Business is $9 a month after a 7-day trial. Mac only for now, with Windows listed as coming. Number 7, TubeTutor AI. The one answer you need is buried somewhere in a 2-hour tutorial. TubeTutor watches the whole thing and hands you back only the part that applies to you. You paste a YouTube link, and it returns the tutorial as text. It reads what is on the screen as well as the narration, menu names, settings, code. So the steps come out in order, with timestamps you can jump straight to. You also get the full transcript, a mind map, and the key takeaways. It is free at 2 videos a day. The paid plan is $9.90 a month. Number 6, Mubert. Music is the one part of a video that can quietly cost you the video. Mubert writes you a track that has never existed before, so there is nothing for anyone to claim. You choose a mood, a genre, and a length, and it generates the piece. It has been running since 2016, so the licensing side of it is properly built. And with music, the licensing matters more than the sound does. The free plan covers personal, non-commercial use, and it asks for attribution. For videos you make money from, the creator plan is $11.69 a month. Suno charges $10 a month for Pro. Number 5, Midjourney. A note-taker that never joins your call, never uploads a word, and still has the summary written before you close your laptop. That is Midjourney. It records the meeting, transcribes it as it happens, works out who is speaking, and writes the summary at the end. All of it runs on your own machine. There is no bot sitting in the participant list, and nothing leaves the laptop. It is written in Rust, it is MIT licensed, and it is at about 29,000 stars on GitHub. It is free. If you want the summaries written by a cloud model, you add your own API key, and that part you pay for. Granola and Fireflies start at $10 to $19 a month. Number 4, Minimax H3. Describe a shot out loud and get it back finished, with the dialogue, the sound effects, and the room tone already inside it. Most video models hand you silence and leave the rest to you. Minimax H3, which you will also see called Halo 3, makes up to 15 seconds at 2K, and it generates the audio along with the picture, matched to it. It launched at the end of July, and the waits were opened a few days after that. On the hosted app, you buy credits. The open waits are free to download, and the community license covers local deployment outside the United States, the European Union, the United Kingdom, and South Korea. Running it yourself is a 42-gigabyte download. It wants 12 gigabytes of video memory, and it renders at 768p locally. Number 3, Qwen Image. Ask most image models for a poster, and the headline comes back misspelled. Ask this family, and the words come out correct, in the right place, at the right size. Alibaba have 2 of these. The newest one, Qwen Image 2.0, is API only. You can use it, but you cannot have it. The one you can actually download is Qwen Image 2512 from December. It is a 20 billion parameter model under an Apache 2.0 license, and Alibaba call it the strongest open source image model on their own blind testing. That one generates. If you want to edit a picture you already have, that is a separate model, Qwen Image Edit 2511, and it is open and Apache 2.0 as well. Both are free to download and run. The full download is about 58 gigabytes, though the community quantized versions bring that down to around 14. Midjourney starts at $10 a month. Number 2. NVIDIA Nematron 3 Ultra. Hand it an entire project, all of it at once, and let it work for hours without losing the thread. This is the largest open model anyone has released. It is 550 billion parameters in total, with 55 billion active on any given token, because it is a mixture of experts. It has a 1 million token context window, and it was built for long-running coding and agent work. You point a coding agent at it, describe what you want, and it writes the code and runs the tests. NVIDIA released the weights, the training recipes, and the data under an open license, so it is free to download and free to fine-tune. What you pay for is hardware, and this one wants data center class hardware. If you do not have that, it is on Open Router. Cursor Pro is $20 a month. Number 1. VoiceBox. Record once, in your own voice, and have it come back in 23 languages, still sounding like you. And none of it ever leaves your laptop. VoiceBox clones your voice from as little as 3 seconds of audio. After that, it will say anything you type. It is one app sitting on top of 7 different open speech engines, so you can change models without learning a new tool. And it ships with more than 50 preset voices if you would rather not use your own. It is MIT licensed, and it is free. It went up in January, and it is already at around 50,000 stars on GitHub. ElevenLabs Creator, the tier that unlocks proper voice cloning, is $22 a month. So, that is the 8. 4 of them cost nothing at all. VoiceBox, Nematron, Qwen Image, and Midjourney are open source, and they are free to run for as long as you want to run them. Of the other 4, Screencap is $9 a month, TubeTutor is $9.90, and Mubert is $11.69, so $30.59 a month between those 3. Minimax is credits on the hosted app, or nothing at all if you run the weights yourself. And the paid tools this list stands in for are ElevenLabs Creator at $22, Cursor Pro at $20, Midjourney at $10, Suno Pro at $10, and Granola or Fireflies somewhere between $10 and $19. That is $72 to $81 a month. There is one more thing worth saying about number 1. Everything it does in 23 languages, it does in your own voice. 1 recording, 23 audiences from the same afternoon of work. Before you go, one question. If you could only keep one of these, would it be the one that clones your voice or the one that writes your code? Tell me which and tell me why. And if you like what we are doing here, hit like and subscribe. We keep researching these. We check every claim before it reaches you, and we only bring you what actually holds up.